Hello, it's Bernadette, and I thought I might drop an extra little project in today. Um, I've Tassels are a big part of decorating. You see them everywhere. You might want to put tassels on the corner of your cushions. Might want to make some tie backs. And so I thought I'd show you how to make a tassel. Very, very easy. So let's get into it. Now, I should qualify this by saying I decided to do this off the cuff and couldn't find the equipment that I needed to do it. So there's a few little workarounds, but it's all good. So basically, you need some cord. So you want cord that's actually twisted. Um, so I have got both macrame cord and piping cord. The piping cord I think produced a better outcome. It's cotton and it's 6 mil thick. You can buy this from Spotlight or online if you don't want to go out. And so what you need is a piece of cardboard. I've cut this, it's 100 mil or 4 inches wide. And basically just wind the cord around the cardboard. Now, depending on the size of the tassel you want, determines how many times you wind the cord. So I have wound this 8 times, but I'll show you one that I made where I did 12 and you'll see the difference. So you wind it round and then you need another piece of cord to secure it. And so what you do is thread that through all the loops, tie a knot, and then cut the bottom. I forgot to photograph that bit. Anyhow, cut through the bottom so that they are then just long pieces, not loops. So there you see it's quite uneven. And then the next thing you want to do is bind it. So basically I needed a paper clip to do this and I couldn't find one. So what I've done is just knotted it at the back, but usually what you do is bind it. So wrap it around 2 or 3 times and then pull the ends in underneath the binding using either a crochet hook or a paper clip. So there you go. So the next thing you want to do is untwist each of the strands. So there we go. I'm untwisting them so that they're all untwisted. Now, eventually they will drop out and they will be quite straight and separate. But for now, they're still holding a bit of the shape of the cord, which is fine. If you want to speed that up, you can steam it with a steam iron and then blow it with a hairdryer. But basically what I did was just gave it a big shake and then you trim the tassel to the length you want it, which I've done here. And there I have a completed tassel. And I said I'd show you one that I did with 12 times around the cardboard, and that's the white one. And as you can see, the macrame cord keeps its shape much more, so it'll take a bit of work to tease that out. And it also needs a bit of trimming, but you get the idea. So that's how you make a tassel.